Y'all ready? And once we clip it, we all gonna scream, everybody! I like it.
At the 3, 2, 1.
I was just reminded it was 3 years ago when we had a conversation at my home in Miami. Like I told Mario Montoya, this is really coming to fruition, of course, because of the team, his supporters, his family. You know what his family means to him. But we got to let him know he's the best. You know what I'm saying? And when it comes to getting your smile right, there was no better title than the $1 Billion Smile. That's what it's about. Let's smile a little bit, man. Thank you so much. But I'm happy to be here. This is an amazing moment in this whole market, in this whole vibe. This is the long run. Mario Montoya is an excellent person. I just want to give you guys a behind-the-scenes look at the $1 Billion Smile headquarters right here in Atlanta. This is the icon. When it comes to getting your smile right, it gets no better. But I just want you guys to see what's going on here. This is next level.
This is more $1 billion smile to Atlanta, the city that has shown me a lot of laughter. I am so happy here in Atlanta, bro. I am so happy.
Yo, this is a huge move. All the icons, all the stars, and the creator of the $1 Billion Smile, Mario Montoya. Listen, don't waste your time. Just come straight to the source. Come directly right here, Atlanta, Georgia, Mario Montoya.